Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to decorate your house like amazing. So let's start playing. Starting Roblox. Yeah, it's Adopt Me by Dreamcraft. That's what it says. Oh, yeah, let's go back here. Okay, so you see I have already a good house. I've already decorated it. I'm just doing that for example. So I'm gonna buy another home. This is 240. This is 489. Let's buy this. Let's build it. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to. First, I just delete all this crap. Okay. Now, you'll choose the walls. You can choose. I usually like the wall like. Where is it? I can't find it. Oh, like that. And I would like the floor to be like that. That's really cool. So let's start getting to decorating. Okay. So let's get so first, if you would want to make like really cool, you would need some doors, like fancy doors. Like this door is not as fancy. I'm just gonna. You can choose whatever door you want. I use the basic doors because I don't really have as much money. Should I just show you what to do in my old house? Because I'm gonna actually run out of a lot of money. Yeah, that's actually true. I'm gonna run out of a lot of money. Yeah, I'm gonna run out of a lot of money, so I'm just gonna sell this fake house. So, okay, I'm gonna sell my tiny home. 124? Weird. I got way more before money. I should not have spent that. That was really bad. Okay. Let's go over here. And I'm just gonna show you. I'm not gonna build it because my like house looks so good already. So it says make a bigger. To go in here, put in the code in the chat, then you can go into this room. Because there's a secret code I'll tell to the people I trust. Oh, I'm gonna show you my bedroom. It's really cool. Oh, let me make sure you can see me. And my name is Layla because my sister was like filming this movie thing. So let's do which are my, because I cannot show my real name. Let's do burger. Like instead of burger, it's a burger. That's not good. I don't know. Okay, that's just my real name. Real name always counts because they must recognize that name. No! That always happens. Okay. First, let's show you how to make these type of rooms. Like, my sister thinks it looks like a school. It kind of does though, because like so much rooms. Okay, so this is how you just search barriers. Like you do this, search barrier like that, and then you choose the brown barrier, just barrier, not glass barrier, and you just put it around here. But make sure it's touching this one. Well, actually, I actually need to kind of like move this. Okay, I hope I can fly Mocha. Fly outside of the house. Wait, just first, where is that brick? I'm gonna do that so you can come in. Okay. Let's just unequip. Okay. So, and after like, you just have to do it on these sides, on that side, or like but like the wall side, you don't put it on. And then you just put the doors right here. Put doors. And then you, like, if you have space around there, you can put a door here. You can go have this space. And then, so we're done with that part. You can put, if you have like a space like this, you can put a door there, and you can put a glass barrier there, so you can go inside. But there's a glass barrier there too, so you can't go there. Then you'll have the kitchen. You can just, the kitchen, you don't really need you can edit it by yourself. I don't have really anything for the kitchen. Okay, now so if you have a space like this, you would just put a barrier right there, and you would put some blocks up here, and then you would put a door there to go inside, and you would like put like a chair like this with a dining table, and you can choose whatever colors for anything. Then if you had a stairs, because some tiny houses don't have stairs, you can go down the stairs. Oh wait, there's something a little wrong. Okay, not. Let me make sure it's right. Yeah, that's right. Okay, let's go back here. And so I won't tell you guys the secret code. You guys should figure it out. And if you guys say it in the comments, you might get a really good surprise. Like, I might even give you my Cerberus. A Cerberus is a Robux pet. Someone just traded. No, someone traded it to my sister. And my sister gave me it because she thought I was good. And I would take good care of it. That's why. Oh, I don't wanna change. Oh no, I don't wanna grab pizzas. How do I go back? Well, I just have to exit home. So the glitch room, you don't really have to follow my steps. Yeah, you don't really have to follow my steps. So you can do your glitch room however you want. Just the upstairs, if you have upstairs, you can listen if you want to. But if you have your own ideas for it, it's fine. You can do it. So, like, if there's already a crib there, or like, if you want to put a crib there, you can. And if you have a bathroom upstairs, I have like privacy door there. And then I have a shower. So let's go back here. So you could build that. Oh, and I forgot. Put barriers here, so like it still does not. It still shows. Okay. So I stand it up. You can see my whole face. I woke up so early. I'm still in my pajamas. That's weird. Okay, so this is like my office. I put a door there so no one disturbs me. Oh, just in time I gotta cash out because I'm editing for houses. Okay, so let's play a different game. I think we'll feel that would be really fun. Okay. Actually, that's the end of the video for today. So, bye.